and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today I wanted to show you how to do custom face shields so we can design custom face shields for our Bitmoji. Just like I did my custom face mask. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that up above or it'll be down in the description. I wanted to make a custom designed face shield. So let's get started. So here I am. I'm in Google Slides. First thing I want to do is I want to create the shield. So I'm going to go to Insert, Shapes, and this shape is the one that I found is the best. Let's turn it around. Let's measure it. It's a little too narrow. Let's make it wider. Yeah, that should work. A little longer maybe. I like that. So now I've got the basic shape that I want. Highlight it. I want to make sure the border is transparent. The transparency over in format options will not do the trick here. You have to go to the transparency setting in the color wheel. So here's our color bucket. Go down to custom where it says transparency. And you're going to slide that down just around halfway, maybe a little bit higher. Play with that transparency there and see what works best for you. Let's slide it over and check it out. That doesn't look too bad. Maybe a little bit more. I can go a little bit lighter on the transparency. That looks good. So now that I have the basic face shield, I'm going to Control-C, Control-V, and I'm going to make a whole bunch of shields because I want to make a whole bunch of designs. So every day has to have a new shield, match my new outfit. So here we have our basic shield. I'm going to go into, and I'm going to first look for a crown or a tiara. So let's go to Insert, Image, search the web, and Transparent Tiara Clip Art. Here's one. I really like this one. Insert. But notice these headbands back here. That's going to cause a problem because that's going to show through. So what I can do, I am going to take a screenshot of this. I use a snipping tool. And I'm going to save this to my computer and I'm going to upload it to Remove BG. So here I am in Remove BG. Upload my image. There's the crown. So here I have my tiara uploaded. And notice these brackets are still there. So let's go to Edit. And I want to erase. And then I'm just going to click on this to remove that part. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then I download it. So now I'm going to insert my image that I just saved in my computer. And that'll work much better. So let's shrink it down. Now that you have it, you want to make sure you hold Control, click on our tiara, click on our shield, and then we're going to go up here to Arrange and group them together. Now when we drag them around, they're going to stay together. They're not going to come apart. And I can come over here and place them on my Bitmoji. So I'm just going to adjust my shield, put it into place. I think I want the bottom a little longer, so just drag that out. I'm wondering if the opacity is maybe a little too much, the transparency. If you think it's too transparent, you can actually increase that. So now I'm going to put a band across the top with a flower. So Insert Shape. And the shape I want to use is this one here. This will look like the headband. Just make it thinner and rotate it around. I'm going to go place this at the top of my shield. I want my shield a little longer because I think the headband is taking up too much of my shield, so I'm going to stretch this out. And I'm going to change the color of my headband. Make sure my transparency is set correctly. I want it just above halfway, usually is the best. And now I want to put a flower on this, or if you want to make it look like the originals and write face mask, you could, but why would you want to do that? So let's get a flower. Insert image, and I'm going to look for a transparent. I would like a plumeria. Ooh, there's a nice one right there. Looks like it has a transparent background already, so I don't have to go into remove BG. But if it did not, then you would just do the same thing like we did with the crown. So there we've got our flower. Shrink it down. Still probably a little too big. And I'm going to click all my parts. I have 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. Go to arrange and group it. There's our next one. I think I like the little longer on the face shield. So I'm going to make my shield. So I've seen them also. They have the cute little animals on the top. I'm going to do that for elementary school. I think it'd be a lot of fun. Insert image. That's a cute one. Shrink it down. Notice when I squished him down, it changed the aspect ratio. His dimensions, don't do from the side or that will happen. Just do from the, adjust it from the corners and then it won't happen like that. Double click, you can crop out some of this empty space and that will help you align it. Again, click on your images, group them. Now you have one with a bear on it. One with the bear might need a headband across the middle. You can add that as well, just like we did for the plumeria. That is how you create custom face shields. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you're not already and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Remember, step out, be uniquely wonderful you. Have a great day. Bye.